In this video, I'll show you how to connect Monday.com to Base44. The first thing you need to do is log into your Base44 account. As you can see, I'm on the main dashboard. In the top menu, click on the Integrations button and from the list, select Monday.com. Once you open the Monday integration, click on Use this integration. You'll see a field where you need to paste your Monday access token. I'll show you how to get that in a moment. Before continuing, keep in mind that you need to have the Builder plan or higher in Base44 to use integrations. If you already have the right plan, open Monday.com and go to your dashboard. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon and choose Developers from the menu. This will open the Developer tab. On the left side, click on API token. You'll see your access token there. Simply click Copy. Now go back to Base44 and paste the token into the field. Once it's added, your Monday.com account will be successfully connected to Base44. And that's it. That's how you connect Monday.com to Base44 using your API token. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more Base44 and integration tutorials.